Join me as I dive into the numbers and take on the challenge of figuring out if ECDA stock is actually a good investment. ECDA, or European Sustainable Development Acquisition Corp., has been making waves in the market lately. As a special purpose acquisition company, or SPAC, its primary goal is to take another company public through a merger or acquisition. What makes ECDA interesting to investors right now is its focus on sustainable and eco-friendly businesses. With the growing concern over climate change and environmental sustainability, companies in this space are gaining a lot of attention. ECDA faces some challenges that make investors a bit cautious. Market volatility is one of them. The stock market can be unpredictable, and ECDA isn't immune to these fluctuations. The SPAC space has also become increasingly crowded, leading to heightened competition for ECDA. Moreover, recent financial performance issues have raised some eyebrows among potential investors. Some are questioning whether ECDA can meet its financial goals and provide a good return on investment. The financial performance issues are particularly concerning. ECDA's latest quarterly earnings report showed a significant miss on revenue, which led to a sharp decline in its stock price. This kind of volatility can be unsettling for investors, especially those who are risk-averse. Furthermore, the competitive landscape in the sustainable energy sector is becoming more intense, with more players entering the market. This could potentially squeeze ECDA's market share and affect its long-term growth prospects. Another challenge ECDA faces is the regulatory environment. As a SPAC, ECDA must navigate complex regulatory requirements, which can be time-consuming and costly. Any missteps in this area could lead to significant consequences, including fines, penalties, or even the collapse of a potential merger. Additionally, some critics argue that ECDA's business model is too focused on short-term gains, rather than long-term sustainability. ECDA's management team is experienced, but even they can't fully control external market trends. The current trend towards sustainable investing is a positive for ECDA, but it's also attracting more competitors. How ECDA differentiates itself and maintains its market position will be crucial for its future success. Despite these challenges, ECDA still presents an intriguing opportunity for investors. Its focus on sustainable businesses aligns with the growing demand for eco-friendly solutions. Analyzing key factors influencing ECDA's stock potential, market trends are certainly in its favor. The global push towards sustainability and reduced carbon emissions is driving growth in the sector. ECDA's management team has a solid track record, and its pipeline of potential mergers looks promising. Expert opinions are mixed, but many believe ECDA has the potential to outperform its peers. ECDA's recent announcement of a merger with a leading renewable energy company is a significant development. This move could potentially boost ECDA's revenue and provide a catalyst for growth. However, some experts are cautious, citing the risks associated with any merger. Integration challenges, cultural clashes, and financial hurdles are just a few of the potential pitfalls. The company's financials also play a crucial role in determining its stock potential. ECDA's balance sheet is solid, with a significant amount of cash on hand. This provides a cushion for the company to weather any potential storms. However, its debt levels are a concern, and investors should keep a close eye on this metric. So, is ECDA stock a good investment? A deep dive into the numbers and market trends suggests it could be, but with some caveats. Critical indicators such as the company's financial performance, market trends, and expert opinions all point to a cautiously optimistic outlook. To summarize, ECDA presents both opportunities and risks. The sustainable sector is booming, and ECDA is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. However, market volatility, competition, and financial performance issues are legitimate concerns. We'd love to hear your thoughts on ECDA stock in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about investment strategies, check out our next video where we dive into the world of dividend investing and explore top picks for passive income.